بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين وصلى اللهم سيدنا محمد وعلى آله وصحبه أجمعين أما بعد. Brothers and sisters in Islam, today I'm going to talking to you about one of the channel which is going to be launched in just a month's time, inshallah. And this channel is all about to spread the message of Islam through authentic resources like Quran and the Sunnah of the Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam. The purpose here is going to be to spread the message of Islam far and wide, and to eradicate the misconception of Islam, and to eradicate the wrong understanding the people have about Islam and all. This is what the prime purpose is going to be here. We are also going to be having question and answer session here, so that people could just put across their questions and put across their comments, and also that we'll try to have them answered as much as possible. Also, our purpose is here to just let the correct renowned scholars coming in and just sharing their thoughts and ideas about Islam. Let me tell you one more thing here. What we're going to do here is like to convert those great renowned scholars messages, the Urdu scholars messages, into English, and let the people benefit from the same. Because what I believe is like their thought process, their ideas, their views about Islam is really great, their thoughts are really great, but that they are just limited to the Urdu audience. So what my motive behind this is to let it go to the English knowing audience also, so that they also could benefit at the same time, as well as Urdu people also, if they know English, they also might get the benefit of the same. What we also do here, on a continuous basis, we will try to convey their messages, their preachings, their speeches through some links and all that also we'll do here. At the end of it, because here I'm not going to talk much about anything here, because this is just an introduction video which I just wanted to upload and just tell you people that this is what we're gonna do here, and this is what the purpose of this channel is. So that's why I just came to you and just wanted to share this few things about this channel. I personally felt the urge, and I had the great discussion. I had really a lot of discussion about it. This purpose actually, whether this is going to be useful or not. People around me, they really suggested yes that this is going to be really great, and this is really going to be useful for the people around. So that's why I just tried, and I just will try my level best to just to put efforts as much as possible and let the people benefit from the same. Now again, I'm gonna reiterate the same. This channel is all about spreading message of Islam. So I would at the end like to request all the viewers, all the subscribers, please subscribe and share this as much as possible, so that you also share the reward in this dunya and in the akhirah as well. Thank you so much. Jazakumullah khair. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.